Namaste student. Today we are going to see NCERT problem related to triangle inequalities. So here you can see the two problems which are in exercise 7.4 NCERT book. Show that in a right angle triangle the hypotenuse is the longest side. And the last question, that is question number 6, show that of all the line segment drawn from a given point not on it, the perpendicular line segment is the shortest. Here both questions are quite similar. Same thing. That means you need to prove that the perpendicular one is the shortest one, and here they are saying that opposite part, the hypotenuse is the longest side. Here we have to proceed in the same style, but one we have to prove is the shortest one and another we have to prove is the longest side. Okay, so let's proceed for the first one first and then this one. Okay, let's proceed. So here in this one, what we're going to do, we'll draw a right angle triangle first, because they are asking here, they have already mentioned that you have a right angle triangle. So let's draw a right angle triangle. Here we have a right angle triangle. Okay, A, B, C. So here what we're going to write, given. Here the given thing is that in triangle ABC, angle B equals to 90 degree. Okay, this one we have, and we need to prove that hypotenuse AC is the longest side. C, angle opposite to right angle is what? Hypotenuse. We call hypotenuse. Okay, so here, so we need any construction? No, we don't need any construction here. Let's start proof. So in triangle ABC, we have B equals to what? 90 degree. So before that, what we're going to write, angle A plus angle B plus angle C, we can write here 180 degree. Yes, we can write. Why? By angle sum property. Okay, we can say that sum of these three angles give you 180. Now we have angle B equals to 90 degree. So we'll replace it. That means angle A plus angle C equals to what? 180 minus 90. Why, sir? Since angle B equals to 90 degree, so you bring this one this side, we'll get 90 here. Now this imply angle A plus angle C give you 90 degree. Okay, you can see that angle B alone is 90 degree and sum of these two give you 90 degree. This imply, that means our target is which one? Our target is that AC is the longest one. If we show that this is smaller than AC and BC is smaller than AC, then we can say that AC is the longest one. So from this, what you can see that angle A less than 90 degree, this is your one, and another one you can see that angle C less than 90 degree. So from, you take this one as your number 1 and this is your number 2, and you can say that this is your number 3. From 1, 2 and 3, what you can see, from 1, 2 and 3, you can see that angle A is less than angle B and angle C is less than angle B. Yes, we can say that. Why? Because A is less than 90 degree and B is greater than 90 degree. Okay, next, this imply, what you can say, that this imply that angle opposite to greater side are what? Or we can say that side opposite to greater angle is what? Greater. Now see, this is your angle B is greater, then opposite to B is what? AC. We can write here AC, and opposite to A is what? BC. that means BC is less than AC. Similarly here we are getting AC and opposite to C is what? AB. Yes. So this implies AC is the longest side. That means hypotenuse. Okay, so you have to mention the reason here. Without mentioning, we'll lose the mark. So here, let's see what we're going to write here. We'll say that what we're going to say, sides opposite to greater angle is are longer. This is the reason. Okay, this is your first one. I hope you have understood. Okay, next one, this here we have. So in this case also we don't have the diagram, we need to draw by ourselves. So that all the lines, let's try to understand what they're saying. They're saying that if you have a line, yes, if you have a line, take a line, this is your L, and take a point P which is not on L. Okay, and if you draw any line through the P on L, any line segment you take, any line segment like this one, there, then what will happen? Only the one which is perpendicular is the shortest one. Okay, so we'll take 2 points. We'll take this one is one point, we'll take another point. Okay, so take this one, give a name, this is your M and this is your N, and this is your 90 degree. Okay, so so we'll say here, let L be a line and what, and P be a point not lying on L. We draw two line segment. Okay, AB, not AB, PN and PM, such that PN is perpendicular to MN. PN is perpendicular to MN. Now our target is to show that as we have taken PN is our perpendicular, that means our target to show that PN will be shortest one, and this one should be what, greater than PN. We don't care about this one. It's saying that whatever line segment come through the point P, the shortest one is the perpendicular one. So our target to show that any line segment from here will not care about the MN. Okay, so now we need to prove that. What is our target to prove? We need to prove that PM what must be greater than PN. Okay, so let's start. So here in triangle P and M, the way we have written angle P plus angle M plus angle N equals to what, 180 degree. Okay, by angle sum property. Yes, and this what, angle P we don't know, keep it here. Angle M don't know. We know about N will give you 90 degree. This imply 180 degree. This imply what? This give you P plus M will give you 90 degree vice versa, and you go the side, subtraction would be there and we get 90. Now see, sum of two angle give you 90 degree. That means angle M must be what? Must be less than 90 degree. Why? Angle P must be something more than 0 degree. So here angle M must be less than your 90 degree. So here you have what we have, that PM is perpendicular. So we need to mention here what by construction it's given here, not by construction, as according to quotient, angle PN is perpendicular to MN. Okay, we need to mention, otherwise how could you say that this is your 90 degree? So region should be compulsory. Okay, now and what, this is less than an angle N is 90 degree. So what this imply that angle M is what, less than angle N. Yes, as it is 90 degree and M is less than 90 degree, that means N must be greater than M. Now we know that, what we know, that side opposite to greater angle is greater. So let's see, M opposite to M is what, PN, and opposite to N is what, PM. Yes, our target is that only, PM is greater than, so here PM is greater than PN, proved. Okay, but before finishing we need to write here sides opposite to greater angle are greater or larger or longer, you can say. Okay, this is your second one. Next we'll go for third problem. So here we have, so you can read here, AB and CD are respectively the smallest, that means this is your smallest one AB, and CD is the longest one, this is your CD, the longest one. That means out of this 4 line segment, AB is the shortest one and this is CD is the longest one they have given here. Now we need to prove that angle A is greater than angle C and angle B is greater than angle D. Our target is to show that angle A is greater than angle C, and second one will just say that similarly. Okay, so let's start. To start this one, what we're going to do, we'll join AC. If you say that no sir, I will not prove A greater than C, I need to prove that angle B greater than angle D, then you join B to D, your choice, anyone you can prove, and then say similarly and over. Okay, so let's proceed for the angle A greater than angle C. So for that one, so let's see what we have. So given, we're going to write here, we have ABCD a quadrilateral. Okay, this one they have given here, and AB is the shortest side, and CD is the longest side. These 3 things they have given here. We need to prove what, angle A is greater than angle C, and another one, angle B is greater than angle D. Okay, so construction is compulsory here, so we're going to take construction. So join A to C, we'll join here. Okay, join A to C and give a name, angle 1, angle 2, angle 3 and angle 4. Okay, so let's proceed. So here proof, let's start. In triangle ABC, in triangle ABC. Okay, so in triangle ABC, if we compare these 2 sides, which is the shortest one? AB, and this is the bigger one. So BC is greater than AB, since it is given AB is the shortest. Yes, this imply we know that angle opposite to the bigger one is bigger. So here BC opposite angle is what, angle 1, and AB opposite angle is what, 4. That means angle 1 is greater than angle 4. This is your number 1, and you say the mention here, angles opposite to longer side are greater. Okay, This is number 1. Now we'll proceed for another triangle, this one, in triangle ADC. ADC. You can, if you'll see, so we don't know about the AC, so we'll not going to compare the AC with anyone, but we know about these two. If we'll compare out of these two, you can see that CD and AD are the part of ABCD. That means already they have mentioned here what CD is the longest one. That means if we compare here, your CD will be the longest one. That means longer than AD. So here we can write CD is greater than what, AD. Now same concept we are going to apply here also. This imply opposite to CD is what? Angle 2. Angle 2 is greater than angle 3. This is your number 2. And the same concept you are going to apply here. So you can write here this reason same again. Now adding what? 1 and 2. What we get? Angle 1 plus angle 2 is greater than angle 3 plus angle 4. So whenever you will going to add like this type of condition or inequalities, what we're going to add, look at the symbol should match same side. Okay, this one is greater than this. If we'll take this side, you cannot add. Now when we're going to add, right hand side, left hand side, left hand side. Okay, so this is your left hand side, right hand side. If we'll add here, so you can see that angle 1 and angle 2 will give you what? A. And angle 3 plus angle 4 will give you what? C. And our required result we have angle A is greater than angle C. Okay, now you say that similarly, no need to prove, just say that similarly on joining B to D, we get angle B is greater than angle D. Proved. Okay, thank you.